Okay, today we're going to be drawing a pineapple, looking at creating contour lines, creating a pattern which follows these contour lines to give three-dimensional depth. And I've got a template here for boys who struggle. You know, it's not the easy thing drawing this pineapple. If you beam in there, this is a pre-existing template which has got the basic outline and it's got some pattern already drawn in there and some of the leaves, basis of the leaves already done. Now what I've actually also created is a tracing template as well, tracing paper, which goes over this to give the kids a little bit more confidence. And on the back side of that here, as you can see, I've drawn on both sides of the tracing paper. So I've drawn the actual pineapple out here, and I've actually drawn on this side as well. And what's going to happen when I press down here with a biro, essentially what will happen is that the pencil on this side will come out onto the template here. If you don't do that and don't have pencil on here, there's nothing to press down on when you force the nib of the biro to pressure these patterns and designs here, and nothing will come out. You must create pencil on this side of the paper. Now we'll beam in here just to go up to the top part, and what I'm going to do now is use the biro to press down on some of these patterned areas, which are, as you can see, following the three-dimensional form, because they're following the contour lines here. So as you can see in the original demo, they're going away and getting slightly smaller as they turn. So if there's enough pencil on the underside to force down, then the pattern should come out on the other side. Now if you find that the pencil isn't strong enough on the other side, flip side here underneath, you can probably go around it again using a 2B pencil, which has got a lot more charcoal, a lot darker, softer, so the imprint will come out even stronger. But for this purpose, we're just going to be looking at 2B, HB pencil here. So basically, I'm going over the lines as well, just to follow the form around. It's important that you do this if you struggle, so you've got an idea of where the lines are going as well, so you're following the biro around, getting to know contour lines. They're not straight, they're curves. So even if you don't draw so well, you've got an indication of what is happening and why things are three-dimensional, and how using line and pattern helps that. You see, you press up, you can see we beam in there, we basically have created, you can see, created the template there, and they've come through quite nicely. Now what we will also want to do is look at going up onto the template here to look at some of the leaves. Now I'm going to be drawing the leaves here, and obviously the ones that have been done already are on there. There's a little indication here of a part of the stem, and this one here, which has been drawn in already by the teacher, but it's up to the student to copy that and then to imitate where he thinks the leaf should go. So press down there, and even if I beam down if we look at the marks here, I've started off the pattern, started off the crown there, start off the crown here. You can go around those also. Just an indication, it's just a starting point, because we don't want to spoon feed the students too much, otherwise they're not going to be analysing themselves. So as we say, we go up here. Now the indication has been done there, it's been left, you can see on here. That one's been done already, but we've just done one side of it. That's up to the student there to look and follow, you can see, and create the pattern. Same with this one here on the edge. The student then could look at drawing his own template. And again, we're going around these patterns, following the form. Now, because they've come out quite light, again it's giving the student the ability to draw and understand how the patterns fit into the contour lines and how they actually are drawn, getting smaller as you go away, as you can see there. And also the other lines that we've drawn in, you can redraw. And as you can see on here, with the guide, we have created a lot of three-dimensional depth. And then there are gaps here which haven't been put on the template, where the students have to guess themselves. On the edge here, looking at fitting in the areas with the guide, and obviously the ones that have been started, which will go further down now. The ones here, where we've just started the crown, the student then must, there's another one there, must begin to become independent and use the starting point and create the pattern based on what they've known from up this area here. Okay, that's the end of the demo.